Sometimes a truck builds air slower than it used to, even when there's no obvious air leaks. No loud hissing, no warning lights, and everything still technically works. So most drivers just adjust to it and keep running. What we see in the shop is slow air builds usually isn't caused by one big failure. It's typically a combination of small restrictions and wear inside the air system that develop over time. Nothing dramatic, just gradual. One common factor is airflow restriction. As components age, internal passages don't move air as efficiently as they once did. That can be inside hoses, fittings, valves, or the air dryer itself. The system still builds air pressure, but it just takes longer. Another issue we see is moisture and contamination. When the air dryer isn't doing its job as effectively, moisture can move through the system. That affects how valves seal and how air is managed downstream. Again, the truck still runs, it just doesn't behave the same. This is why slow air build often shows up alongside other subtle symptoms. Shifting may feel inconsistent, cold weather seems to make things worse, air-related issues come and go without a clear pattern. Individually, those may not seem serious. Together, they usually point to an air system that needs attention. The key thing to understand is that this isn't something drivers cause. It's normal wear, and it's very common on higher mileage trucks. The goal is simply catching it early, before those small inefficiencies turn into bigger problems. If your truck builds air slower than it used to, or feels different than it did before, that's usually worth checking during an inspection. These are the kinds of issues we look for regularly, and addressing them early is often much simpler than waiting.